everybody, I went on my stories last week maybe and I talked about this amazing drink. Actually, my daughter has been making it and I never really knew I liked tequila except for in a margarita. This is maybe better than a margarita. Did I just say that? So anyway, I'm just gonna show you how to make it. It's so easy. So depending on how much lime you like in your drink, you can use a half or a whole. If you don't have a lemon reamer, you need one in your life. These are great. So I'm gonna put half and half tequila and ginger beer. So I'm gonna fill the glass up, which is generously filled with ice, halfway with tequila. Obviously, these amounts are personal. You can do whatever you like. This is how we like it. Then I'm gonna squeeze, let me move all this so you can see. I'm gonna squeeze the juice of one lime. And I don't know if you know this trick, and I did not do this today, but if you really want your limes to be juicier and easier to juice, you can put them in the microwave for about 20 seconds. This is a half a lime. You might not love lime juice. We like them really tart. You could also add a little simple syrup, but the ginger beer is kind of sweet. So this is all very much to your taste, but the main ingredients are tequila, ginger beer, and lime juice. So tequila, lime juice. I'm gonna fill it up the rest of the way with ginger beer. And then I think it's important to make it look pretty. So I'm gonna slice a little bit more lime and just put a wedge of lime in the glass. Be careful, these go down really easy.